Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the Zimmermann pieces that I got during the summer 2025 sale. I really love Zimmermann, and a lot of times their price point is it's way up, but whenever they go on sale, that's usually my time to go ahead and pull the trigger on some of the pieces that I've been eyeing. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you some of the scores that I was able to snag during the summer 2025 sale. Now, some of this item was purchased from the Zimmermann website, and some were purchased from other websites like Saks, Net-a-Porter, and Farfetch. Yes. So they have other retailers that sell Zimmermann pieces like Outnet.com. Outnet.com, I think, is a sister brand to Net-a-Porter. So they have a lot of Zimmermann pieces that I've also purchased from. And if you're looking for good deals, that's another place where you can find them. So I will try and link some of these pieces if they're still available, so you can purchase it if interested. So for today, I snagged about 5 items during the course of the summer 2025 Zimmermann sale, and I have them all here to share with you all today. This is all the pieces that I purchased, and we'll go through it one by one, and if possible, I'll try them on as well and insert the video of how it's gonna look on me. Okay, so let's put this back down, and we could start with this one here. So now, when this piece came out, oh my gosh, I fell in love with it. The reason being, it is short sleeves. And as we know, Zimmermann makes a lot of long sleeve pieces. And I saw this in short sleeve. I was so excited about it. But then again, I think it was pretty pricey. A lot of times they make a matching set, and this very top came with a matching bottom, but I did not get the matching bottom because that would be too much. The matching bottom was still a little bit expensive, even on sale, that I decided not to go ahead and do that. I could easily pair this with white pants, then light denim, and yeah, I'm easily okay with that. So yeah, the details on this, they usually have unique buttons, like this beautiful silver button that it comes with, and I got a size 2. Now, I initially ordered this in a size 3 because a lot of times I go between the 2 and the 3. This was described as a boxy shirt, so it was a little bit big in the size 3, and I think at the time Saks did not have it available in a size 2. They only had the size 3 available. So I was a little bit torn. I was like, I really like this shirt. So in my mind, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to rock the big shirt like that. So what I did was I did a notification to, I think I added it to my wish list to be notified when the size 2 came back in stock. And very much so, the size 2 came back in stock. And I was so very happy that it came back in stock before the 30 days, because Saks give you 30 days to do any returns. So it was still within the 30-day period. So I returned the size 3 and I got the size 2. Now, keep in mind, Zimmermann pieces is a little bit interesting. Now, size 2 does not mean a US 2, or size 3 doesn't mean a US 3. It's actually, I think size 2 translates to a US 6 to 8, while the size 3 translates to a US 8 to 10. Now, they do go up to a size 4. So if you're bigger than this US 10, the size 4 will be, will work for you. Not all the websites that I've noticed come in a size 4. But if you definitely like a piece and you're on the bigger side, you probably can Google that particular item and find other retailers that will sell the bigger sizes for you. Farfetch is very known to have the size 4s available. But I really love this piece, and I was so glad I was able to snag it on sale. Most of my Zimmermann pieces are usually bought on sale. I don't think I've ever paid full price for any one of them. Let's go to the other one. Now, this second piece is also purchased from Saks. I love this a lot. This is a long sleeve piece. Most of their items are usually long sleeves. And this is just a beautiful blouse. Also comes in the similar silver button, just like the other one, but this came with a camisole. It came with a inner camisole, which I'm not sure I'm gonna wear with this top, because I tried it with a camisole and I really did not like it. Now this one I got in a size 2 because that was the only thing left, and the size 2, when I tried it on, gave me that perfect fit. Now, this might not leave any room for any type of weight gain. So my weight do fluctuate. So if I'm like leaning towards a little bit bigger, this might not work. So I was kind of taking a risk, but so far my weight has remained the same for the good part of the summer. Hopefully the fall too. Well, I can wear this for the fall because these are like summer colors. So hopefully for summer next year, I don't have any weight increase, so I can be able to rock this. But I believe I should be fine because yeah, with the camisole, I didn't really like it, but without the camisole, it was a good fit for me. So let's go to the next one. The next one is this beautiful dress. Now this dress, you would think it's gonna be in a short sleeve, but no, it comes in another long sleeve. Okay, now this dress was purchased from Farfetch, and guys, this price on this dress was like a steal of a deal. Okay, when I saw the price, I think it was marked like it was probably over 70% off, because even up until now, this dress is available on Saks Fifth, and the price is about a little over $500. Now on Farfetch, I paid close to like $290 for this dress. I could not believe it. Now Farfetch does this thing whereby they would have some sizes at a very discounted price, and while some sizes might just be like original price. So I typically, like I said, wear 2 to 3. The size 2 was on sale. The 3 was not, but I was interested in buying this dress in a size 3 because they did classify it as a mini dress, right? So I didn't want to get a 2 and it to be too, too small for me. So a 3 was what I needed. But guess what? The 3 was over $1,000. There was no way I was going to do that. For a 4 at that price of $290 something, I was going to be a size 4. Yeah, and I was actually okay with rocking it. My thought was if it was going to be too big, I would just take it to the seamstress to have it altered. So I did try it on. Yes, it's slightly big, but it's more noticeable at the back where it kind of bunches up a little bit. But that's something I can live with. For that price, that was like add to cart, checkout. Oh my goodness. I actually even shared it with one of my friends too, because I know she's like a Zimmermann addict like me. And her size happened to be on sale. So she was able to score, I think she's like a size 1, which was part of the sale. So she was able to score it at an amazing price. So this is such a beautiful dress, and I'm so glad to add it to my collection. So I'll try them on and insert like a picture or video of me trying it on so you guys can see how it's gonna look on me. So let's get to the next one. So excited about this sale, guys. So you guys should definitely check them out. And the next one that I got, oh my gosh, guys, this is so beautiful. This I ordered from the Zimmermann website. And one thing I love that it came with is the Zimmermann hanger. Now, most of the items that I've purchased doesn't come with the Zimmermann hanger. And this coming with the Zimmermann hanger, I was like, oh, okay, I like that. I like that touch. Look at Zimmermann trying to be doing all these luxury things, right? Anyway, so this is a beautiful, beautiful print. Leopard print, I love it. Now, Dolce & Gabbana does leopard print beautifully. And this is giving me Dolce & Gabbana vibes, but not with the Dolce & Gabbana price tag. So I love this a lot. On this blouse, you can have you see the Zimmermann name on it, just like what Dolce & Gabbana would do. Some of Dolce & Gabbana's print like this will have the name Dolce & Gabbana on it. So I see what Zimmermann is doing here. But this is a beautiful top, okay? Comes with this crystal details on the sleeve, and also on the collar right here as well. Beautiful. I tried it with a light colored denim. Chef kiss. So happy I got this. And the price point too is was definitely actually good. So guys, you can also try Saks, because I actually saw it on Saks, but they might be sold out on Saks, okay? I'll try and see if I can link some of the website that might have it still. So if you guys are interested, you can easily click on those links and purchase them, okay? So the last item that I got is this floral blouse, okay? And this I got from Net-a-Porter. Now, Net-a-Porter also have good sales on, on Zimmermann pieces, and this blouse is so beautiful. The reason why I actually got this was because of how versatile it's going to be. Not only can I wear this in the summertime, I can also wear this in the fall, winter months because of the floral colors that it comes in, the orange, the light yellow. I mean, this definitely reminds me, it's also giving fall vibes. So yes, so happy that I was able to score these pieces. And this has like a black button with the little gold detail on it. It's so, so beautiful on. And like I said, I'm so addicted to this brand. And whenever they have a sale, that's usually my excuse to go ahead and snag a few pieces. So I'm already looking forward to the next sale they're going to be having, so I can grab any of the items I've been eyeing. So guys, I hope you did enjoy watching this little haul from Zimmermann. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care.